We're standing next to this beautiful Lamborghini Huracan 642. This is in a blue Cepheus color, which, as you guys know, we've done a few URUS wide bodies in this color. It's one of my favorite blue colors. It has like a little purple metallic in it. Really, really cool, fancy blue color. But this is a carbon fiber kit all over it. This car had white wheels on it, and the new owner despised the white wheels. Obviously blue and white, and it's a lot of colors going on, so he didn't want to go black wheels. The next best option was silver, and he didn't want to go like that bright hyper silver, and he didn't want to do gloss either. So we did this semi-metallic silver right here on these wheels. As you can see, looks great. This car has also a supercharger on there, so it is powerful. It looks really pretty with the blue, and now these wheels. Mind you, we got this car in yesterday and we finished it today. So everything here we get done in a timely manner. Whenever somebody needs a rush emergency job, we can accommodate to that, whether it's wheels, paint, body kits, whatever. We do offer a rush service as well. So please contact us if you want to get things done right and fast. You already know I was a big BMW fanatic, and I haven't driven a BMW for a while, so I opted to buy this M4 right here. As you can see, it is convertible, two-door M4, and it's wrapped in this blue color. But honestly, yeah, this is not my car. Probably would never have one of these because I'm an older BMW fan, not the newer ones. My M3 is pretty much, I mean, actually it got like 2% movement. We took the engine and the drivetrain out. So the car is at my buddy's shop, took it there about a year ago, sat there, came up with a game plan. I had few big choices to make. If I wanted to put a stock motor back in there and just leave it NA, put a stock motor and then put a smaller turbo, or keep my engine, clean it up, see what needs to be fixed. So currently we're gonna go with that path. We're gonna check the engine, make sure it's okay. We're gonna do some little updates, whatever, but all this is gonna take a lot of time. I don't have the time, obviously. All my work goes into here and customer cars, and obviously the money also, you know, I don't want to dump a lot of money again on that car. Unless you guys want to fund it and make a whole series about it, we can. But if you guys know any parts suppliers, I need a lot of parts for that car. So if anybody wants to sponsor that Talza M3, probably the most important E46 M3 of all time. So contact us.
What's happening, Moses? I'm terrified from that. We apparently have a horse here. This thing looks very nice, but very vicious. But he hasn't even barked one time yet. It's crazy.
Gentle. He howls. Doesn't bark.
Yeah, we have a guy giving away the dog, but
I don't have room. If I did, I would.
And here we have Escalade emblems, which also the customer wants this car done in 2 hours. So we're doing it real fast for him. These right here go on the wheels, yes. These little details go on the wheels. We don't take the cap and just paint it as a whole, we take it apart. Two of these larger ones go on the sides, and then we have the front and back of the Escalade emblems. Sometimes we leave these colors exposed, sometimes they want it all black. This customer wants it all black, so we're gonna be painting that. I don't know why there's Rolls-Royce door locks over here, but we have a lot more parts to bring in. Today has been a gloss black day. Everything's been painted gloss black for trims. A lot of the Cullinan parts were just painted black. We have more to go. I think that Cullinan, how many times did that Cullinan go in the paint booth rounds? I think like 4 rounds in paint booth parts for that Cullinan. So it's a lot, and the customer needs to pay me more. So I'm gonna go try to get more money.
Come here.
Tell him how many months you're pregnant too. Middle sauce.
Is it a boy or a girl?
Is it a boy or a girl?
When's the baby shower?
What the fuck?
Is it bad? All right, you guys. Escalade is done. Let's go. Let's take a walk around the car, as they say. Middle's beautiful. Shiny black. Match everything. Hey, look at that. We got beautiful caps on it as well. The center caps are done. Shiny black. Let's continue, fellas. We have this little sucker here. Beautiful. Just
Don't forget the reflectors.
yes, something basic, but makes a big difference on the car. And we have the big rear emblem as well. That's also done. Other than that, this car is finished. And the reflectors, by the way. This is called a basic, simple blackout. And trust me, those little detail pieces that were chrome and stuff look very ugly. Silver looks ugly. Looks beautiful. Very clean and simple. Satin white 911 Carrera 4S. This thing's beautiful. Javier's doing an oil change on it, oil filter service. It's time.
Moses, pick up line 1, please. Moses, please pick up line 1. Thank you.
Every time I do something, there's a phone call. But yeah,
Car's done now.
yeah, it's a nice car. It's done, ready to go. Javier's just checking the tire pressures, make sure everything's good. Can't get any better than this. It's nice every day. Beautiful car.
Wow. Okay, guys, you see the color? I don't know what do you think, but for me, it's really, 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 really good. I like it. I like it. I hope you like it. If I don't like it, I told you guys I don't like that, but in this case, I like it. So, ciao! We're working on the Cullinan first, Cullinan with this body kit. All the pieces comes together. Yeah. This is for the rear door, and you will see this piece is going over here. Ta-da, ta-da, see, everything fit right. Is yeah, right there, right there. We have more pieces over here, and a lot of pieces in the spray booth right now for paint. The guys, we're gonna do black trims, all the black chromes. Right for the moment, all the chrome, but gonna be changed to black. So this is Felix, the guy who's in charge for do the colors, whatever it is. Try to match. This color is very, very, very hard to match.
This is a hard color to do.
Yeah, it's very hard. It's need to checking, spray out, 3, 4, 5 spray out. When the color is very close, I painting for no color brand on the car. Yeah, the lines need to. It's very hard for make the line like that. Everything parts, the body, the car is ready, except the handles, moldings. It's in the spray out now. And the emblemas, the Royce, the front and the back. I need to paint the letters, same with the inside the car, the blue ones. And the spirit and the emblemas, the Royce, the letters, R. That one I need to paint this color. I need to color match in this color. It's very hard. This is letter. It's very hard for color match. Very exactly in the color. I need to make a spray out. Okay guys, I see you next video.
Roy.